Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the chrysanthemum plant. Those who regularly watch our videos know that we've been getting lots of chrysanthemum flowers from December 1st. And it's been almost 1 month. That's why the flowers are starting to dry. Also, these flowers have a lot of benefits. So we can use that in healthcare, skincare, hair care, etc. Those who have been watching our videos for a long time know that we have made lots of things with these chrysanthemum flowers. Like we made hair oil, we made tea and other skincare stuff. So in today's video, we'll be telling all of that compiled in one video. Also, if you do not know yet, our garden is chemical free. That's why all the flowers, fruits and vegetables that are grown here are completely organic. Also, do you know that this plant has lots of benefits? Some of its main benefits are that it reduces stress and anxiety. It is known for its calming effect, promoting relaxation and helping to tone down stress levels. It also boosts the immune system, as this flower is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, plus minerals like potassium, magnesium and calcium, which support immune function. That's why if you make tea of it, you'll get lots of benefits. I will tell by the end of video on how you can make chrysanthemum tea. Do you know it also supports heart health? This may help lower blood pressure and bad cholesterol. It reduces inflammation in blood vessels and improves circulation. It's also antioxidant, as it fights against inflammation and protects cells from damage. Do you know it also helps reduce bloating and discomfort? This may also improve eye health, as antioxidants in chrysanthemums may protect retinal cells, potentially benefiting conditions like diabetic retinopathy. And you can get all of these benefits by drinking the tea. Look, as you can see, the flowers are starting to get a little dry. But instead of plucking them out, we are going to keep them in the plant so that they can become dry in the plant itself. Plus, as during the winter season, we rarely get sunlight, it is better that these flowers dry in the plant itself. But if it's sunny in your area, then you can pluck these flowers out and let them sun dry. Do you know that after sun drying these chrysanthemums and making a powder out of them, you can make hair oil and face mask? Look, here my mom is plucking some fresh flowers. Every year we collect some flowers like this. Also, do you know there's one more thing you can do with fresh flowers? It is chrysanthemum bioenzyme. Do you know that this chrysanthemum bioenzyme has a really good fragrance? So you can use the bioenzyme in laundry and while cleaning the floors. Now I'm going to tell you how you can make some tea out of it. After sun drying it, keep it in a container. To make the tea, first you have to boil some water. Give 1 to 2 teaspoons of this flower petals. Then cover the lid. Keep it like that for 2 to 3 minutes, then stain it and then drink the tea. This plant has many other benefits. Instead of throwing this flower, use its benefits. That's it. Bye bye.